If you're not the one that organizes the pantry, how are you supposed to know where the snacks go? We recently moved into a rental home and my partner, who is the chef, organized the pantry quickly. We still have yet to detail and define where the categories live. So to her, she knows generally where everything lies. When I open the closet doors and look, I'm not quite sure where I'm looking for things. So the other day we were talking about granola and I swore like I saw a photo of granola in my brain, and here it was crackers sitting next to the oatmeal, and I thought this was granola. So my point is, you want to define your sections. One area we have defined that I helped with was the snack basket, and I just threw a little piece of painter's tape because that just helps my brain prompt me to know that's where the snacks go. Defining is knowing where a category starts and ends visually. And trust me, I've been with clients who have huge families and clearly defined spaces with labeled baskets, and the family still doesn't get it or help maintain it. So the best thing you can do is either try to get them involved or give them a tour together and walk them through it in case they're actually really not seeing it.